Seem to do good things out there. That ball in the field. And that one's found the edge, and it's races away for 4 runs. A little bit fortunate there. Here we see. Outside that off stump. Well, this one wasn't. That one was loose. It was on the legs, and there's the difference. You can see it in 2 balls. The ball before, outside the off stump. He's struggling to get something on it. One on the legs. The batsmen don't really get too much of a chance, but there was an opportunity there. It's gone missed. This one's been whacked. It's gone big. Balle.
Next one's cut away over point. Well, the chase is on. That's going to be a foot fielding attempt and a foot fielding fail. And the result, 4 runs.
Yeah, lashed onto this one. See what the bowlers are trying to do. It's there.
Or stay in a kind of middle position. Well, this one's a little bit short. And, well, he's so strong on that leg side. The fielder had a chance that time, but he wasn't able to get there to his right.
The thing is, they've had a plan and they're sticking to it. This one is, well, this is over pitch and on the legs, and when it is, it's going to be put away. Shaka Lagya, and that's what he can do. This one's been hit and hit hard, and it's gone a long way. Balle. Big hit, and he's opening up. He's going to drop just short of the field. He's got to try and stop it, though. That was the key here. And, well, Fernando is diving at that. And for me, from the moment we're literally a couple of metres away from him. As soon as his ball's hit, I'm saying it's...
That one wasn't. Oh, this one might disappear. This is what happens when you get it wrong. You can see why. Maximal, 6 runs for Venezia.
Yeah, big hit to end the end of the over. And that's hit massive.
Rodrigo on strike, needs a 6. And misses out. And he's going to go. And, well, you think that Haque, well, he wasn't quite on song with the bat, although he did score a half century. But he's definitely on song with the ball in the pressure situation. And Sojan Islam finishes the work. It's the end of Rodrigo, and I think it's the end of RCP here in match 9.
Yes, and he's, well,